turned up, it'll make every bit of probably 2,000 wheels.
Yo, what's up, YouTube? So it's currently 4:30 in the morning. I haven't mentioned any of this, I don't think, but I wasn't able to figure out the CO2. Well, I was having trouble figuring it out, and then I switched the outputs, switched them positions, so where decrease was, I moved it to increase, and then vice versa. After that, I got CO2 in the top of the gates, and then I found out one of my wastegates is actually leaking. So the diaphragm has been crushed, and I actually noticed this when I first went to go get tuned with Solid Tech, that diaphragm was crushed. So that means this wastegate's been leaking forever. But anyways, now I can't really see if my CO2 is going to work because it just all leaks out the top of that wastegate. So I have some wastegates to buy lined up in Arizona. And if I can't figure out the CO2, I have somebody out there that's going to help me out with it. So the guys from the shop in AZ, Mesa, Arizona, they said they found me some wastegates that somebody could sell me. And Nate from California said he could help me figure out or configure my CO2 if I needed help with it. So it's 4 in the morning. I'm trying to get out of here by 5, which I probably won't. But we got to get on the road. That way we can meet these guys somewhere around noon. We got about a 6-7 hour drive. So let's get the truck out of here. Let's load up and let's get on the road.
I already talked to him, Eddie.
Oh my God! It's too early.
You already talked to them. All right. I already know the biz, bro.
Oh, bad. I thought I was gonna.
I didn't know what video was.
Hold on. It's back. Show me the chain.
Nah, well, we already took it off, but we busted a damn chain. We're out here in Holbrook. Just put it on your neck, G. Iced out. Catch my boy 80 iced. Oh, see?
Don't talk to me.
Road trip vibes.
I break away from my owner.
We gotta get our ass to fucking Phoenix, see if we can fix this fucking junker.
That's what Peter's smacked your house.
Oh, Peter's a for that one. We need to wash the trucks too. Look at this shit.
What up? What are you doing?
Oh, hi, bitch. Say hi shit. First. Yeah, for real. We already here. We just looking.
What time is the casting down?
It's tomorrow at 6 a.m.
Ahora se pendejo.
Ay, o quiero que metas verga.
Arre.
¿Y aquí cómo quieren que nos parquemos?
Pues cuidado.
What's up?
6-speed. What's up, y'all?
How y'all doing? What's up, guys?
I ain't know he was 6-speed.
Tactic.
What up, dude?
What's up? Can I film in here?
Yeah, you good.
What's up?
You know, I ain't realized that probably 6-7 months later, Frank, and that was you.
Hey, them waste states almost here if you want to end up wanting them.
Yeah, probably.
Cause your shit, you said it's leaking, right?
One of them is. Would he sell one, or he's gonna sell both of them? Yeah, he'll sell one. Yeah, I'll just buy one then.
What?
Yeah, we just pulled up.
I'm waiting.
How was the draw?
I wasn't bad. Like 6 hours.
You ain't like?
Fucking cooking.
You were cooking.
Yeah.
Did you? So that was the only thing that was wrong with the CO2 shit, or what?
I don't know. So like, I had the fucking inputs and shit set up.
Yeah.
And then right when I swapped them, the gates got CO2, and then that's when I found out it was fucking leaking. So I haven't. So maybe it'll work after it done leak, and then if I test it and it makes boost, then I'll be good.
Yeah, cause all that shit just gonna spread.
Yeah.
It ain't empty the bottle, right?
No, I didn't empty it. No, I caught it. I just
went and got 2 CO2 bottles filled today.
yeah. No, I got CO2 in it still.
Yeah, we did.
Fuck yo. Oh. Oh man.
CO2 work.
Oh. The what? The what, boy?
CO2.
Yeah. Oh man. Oh, fucking rip.
A la verga. ¿Por dónde salió el pistón?
Where's the piston at?
I don't know. I can't find it. I think it's somewhere on this side. I don't want to lean down right here and get fucking ran over.
Yeah.
Let's push it and we'll find it again.
That's what's like, you guys want to pull them all nighter, I'll give you a mark. Bro, it's funny because we heard it and he was like, oh, fuck, he's like, that shit's working.
Oh, my boy. Oh.
Yeah, I did. It made 30 pounds.
You made 30 pounds? Like right away.
I can't find the window though.
We sent it a little too hard, ma. My boy.
It's gonna be a little hard because he's on the sidewalk.
Oh, we should have fucking put the thing down.
You there right there?
Hold it. Push the trailer over there, Sabino. Pa agarrar. All right, guys. So basically, what happened was, I was trying to see if the CO2 was gonna work, and that shit worked. And the truck made 30 pounds, fucking ASAP. And I blew the motor. I think it bent a rod or something, or cracked the block. It's just spilling oil everywhere. Anyways, we're at the shop. They let us borrow a wastegate today so we can test the CO2. And I blew the motor right on Main Street in Mesa, Arizona. We at the shop, and our boy was Eric and Ian. Yeah, they was generous enough to say, hey, you know what? They were generous enough to say, hey, you know what? We got a 5.3 in the back. Let's put that bitch in right now. So I said, fuck it, let's do it. What time is it?
It's 6? Yeah, it's 6.
Yeah, 6 o'clock.
It starts at 6 a.m.
Yeah, so we got 12 hours. That's more than enough. Let's get it. What are you doing? You taking out the turbo already?
See what? Why?
We could have left them in. The turbos.
Why?
We just said take the manifolds off, leave the turbos in.
Just take it off with this? The whole turbo?
Or no, yeah, let's take them off actually. Take them out.
We don't need to actually.
Look at the motor.
This whole shit. If we take this whole shit off, the intercooler is tied to it. The intercooler piping is tied to the turbo. Look. I'm just trying to take it off the bottom coupler.
Did you loosen the bottom coupler?
Yeah, but it isn't coming out. So I'll just leave it. We'll pull this off with turbos.
With the turbos here, right?
Yeah.
Que aquí se quedan. Yeah. There it is, ladies. Yo,
we need a charger for that camera still.
Oh, we do. He's like, yo. So we're about to put a new motor in it that Eric gave us because he felt bad. But shout out to Eric and his brother Ian. We out here. We decided kind of late to put the motor in, but I mean 30 minutes in and we already have this shit all apart. So we're just waiting for a lift to open up and put the motor in.
Back a little bit. Yeah.
Hola raza, que andamos chilling.
Chill.
El motor ya va a salir. Y aquí ya nos están preparando los homies. Bienvenidos a Univision YouTube. We're switching over to Spanish vlogs.
Ande. About to pull it out. Trans is already loose, torque converter, everything, coolant's out of it, oil's out of it.
We drain the oil.
We drained the oil, yeah. It's a little milky, but at least we know it had some. What time is it?
I don't know. No, I don't do that. It's 7:30.
It's 7:39. We have an hour and 39 minutes into this.
Ready?
That's all. Hey.
Yeah. Yeah, buddy.
What is that?
The rod. Oh, look, there's a fucking hole down here, too.
Oh, that picker too strike. Fuck.
My bad.
Huh? Hey, loco.
Right in front of.
She could help us out and say that you just. We had points in there to build the car and then test it and shit.
Oh, that's a street car. What do you mean? Should be fine.
Hey, so when you make a turn, you still got your turn six.
What a homo.
What do we got going on here?
Bring her down.
¿Qué pedo aquí? Eso es.
What? I was because it's jittery. I met him. Now we're gonna go back to it.
Okay.
Oh shit.
Whatever.
I might have to use the
chain?
no. Just looking on this one to lean it.
On that one?
Yeah, on the first one. Have it lean back, no?
Man, we tired. I'm tired as fuck. What time is it? 12:30?
Something like that. So they just got back with some Red Bulls or something?
Some Red Bulls and
What time is it?
140.
It's 1:40. Motor's in. Hector's putting the manifold now. Turbo's next. Put oil, coolant on all that shit, and then see what happens.
Then head to the fucking cash days.
Clean that window. Test it, dijo Eric. The homie Eric from the shop said test it, maybe a little nap.
Yeah.
We got 4 hours before the cash day starts. And it's, what? How far is it? How far is the drive from here?
It's a fucking mob. It's like an hour.
An hour drive, so that cuts it down to like 3 hours. We'll see.
Let me know if it leaks.
I got you. They look good.
Alright.
Cam and crank sensor plugged up? The one behind the
Crank isn't plugged in.
Oh, that's why. Crank's not?
Yeah, all that shit. You could get it though. Oh, yeah, hell yeah, with a lift.
It's like if one of the plug wires are swapped.
It was fine at first.
Welcome to Haunted Dark Side. That's what it looks like. Some scary movie shit. Alright guys, so y'all just saw we just got the motor running. What time was it when that bitch started? Like 3:30?
Like 3:25.
Yeah, it started at about 3:25. So what did that take us?
We started at 6. Well, we ran into a lot of
Like 9 hours?
Well, we ran into a lot of
Yeah, we ran into a lot of dumb stuff. Anyways, yeah, we lost the bolts. It's dumb stuff, but it took us 9 hours. But anyways, it has a big old lifter tick. I think it's because the lifters didn't ever get soaked. We just pulled them out the box and threw them in.
Starting route to Three Brothers Food Mart LLC.
That's where we're going, Three Brothers Food Mart LLC.
At the light, make a U-turn.
Now we're going to be at E85 and then we're going to head to the spot.
Welcome to the wildlife. My name is Eddie, and we are about to go to the deep depths of the jungle. We have the snoring Snorlax, a wild beast. It's natural habitat. They say he travels to distances far away and has no sleep. Shall we poke it with the stick?
Headed to the spot. We'll see y'all soon.
Boom. So that was what went down in Arizona. We swapped the motors you guys saw in a time crunch, and we made the race. If you want to see the race and how I did, check out the Cash Days video. It's the 2021 Arizona Cash Days. Don't forget to check us out on all our social media outlets. Thank you all for watching. Se la lavan.